County in West Central Florida.
Awesome, now you relate!
Florida. Until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Only 13 minutes late.
Tornado was located near the Northgate Hill, going 9 miles east of Brooksville, moving south at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Rio and Dade City around 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include St. Leo, Darby, San Antonio, Ridge Manor, Blanton, Dade City North, and Spring Lake. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Pasco, Florida. County in West Central Florida until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
Recruiter.com.
homes were located extending from North Brooksville
Bank of
State. Leo to near Zephyr Hills North, moving west at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles.
Allah's mixing it up.
Source, radar indicates. Include St. Leo, Pine Point, Lake Lindsay, Florida, Hernando County in West Central Florida, Northwestern Polk County in Central Florida.
Contains the number.
Hillsborough River State Park, Shady Hills, Glen Lakes, St. Leo, Richland, South Brooksville, and Weeki-Wachee. For your protection, move to an interior room.
Switch to T-Mobile.
It was Recharge Clinic. Easy to stick to. I'm also on their hormone therapy program.
Did you say?
On the lowest floor of a building. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Hillsborough, Pasco, and Polk.
St. Leo.
Or near Dade City,
St.
moving south at 30 miles an hour.
Are you kidding me?
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Are you fucking
Mobile homes will
kidding
be
me?
damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near St. Leo and Dade City around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include San Antonio, St. Leo, and Blanton. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying
Oh,
debris.
great. This is gonna be
Repeating, a tornado warning remains
a
in
double
effect
header.
until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Pasco, Florida.
There they go.
National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northeast of Cedar Key to 6 nautical miles northeast of Bayport to 20 nautical miles northeast of Hillsborough Bay, moving west at 20 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize. Life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Azelo, Teresita Bay, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Clearwater Beach, Bayport, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Tarpon Springs, Yankee Town, Cockroach Bay, Anna Maria Island, Treasure Island Reef, Hernando Beach, Passagrille Channel, Indian Shore Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, and Tampa Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The severe thunderstorm warning for southern Sumter and northwestern Polk counties is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. Wonder International. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding going on are expected
And northeast
shortly. Hazard.
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Plant City. This includes the following streams and drainages: Turkey Creek, Powell Branch, Sparkman Branch, Hamilton Branch, Alphi River, and North Ilifai River. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
These are the 5 p.m. observations for the local area on Monday, July 14th. At Tampa International, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 88 degrees, the dew point 78, and the relative humidity 72%, producing a heat index of 101. The wind was west at 15 miles an hour,
Gusting to 24.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for South Central, relative humidity, and North Central Hillsborough County.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Hillsborough and Pasco. The tornado Eastern Pasco and southeastern Hernando counties will expire at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm.
All experience flooding include Lakeland, Plant City, Lakeland Linder Airport, Medora, Plant City Airport, Willow Oak, and Lewisville. www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. A special weather statement for the KHB 32 listening area for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Hillsborough, RD, inland Hillsborough, inland Manatee, inland Pasco, and Polk. Hazard, water spout. Hazard, water spout. County in West Central Florida, southwestern Hernando County in West Central Florida, northwestern Manatee County in West Central Florida, northwestern Manatee County in West Central Florida, Pinellas County in West Central Florida. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pasco County in West Central Florida, southwestern Hernando County in West Central Florida, northwestern Manatee County in West Central Florida. An hour.
New tires 2020.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pasco County in West Central Florida, southwest and Central Florida, north. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Florida until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pinellas and Polk. 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Lewis, moving south at 40 miles an hour. Hazard.
Big day for you. Sarasota. Area.com.
Harbor, South Tampa, Newport Richey East. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pasco, Pinellas, and Polk.
One eternity later.
Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. Now for the
with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and